So we're going to go to the Lamington National Park today. What is it, like a 2.5 hour drive?
Yep,
Imi, I think.
about
Yeah,
that.
that'll be fun with the kids. Hopefully they might sleep, but it'll do them good to just get out, get into nature, get into the wilderness a little bit, and just have a good time. So yeah, looking forward to it. Absolutely gorgeous day here at the Lamington National Park. Beautiful, beautiful scenery as you can see here. You being grumpy? You being grumpy? Is there anything as nice as just being out in the sun, in nature, listening to the wind? Beautiful scenery, absolutely amazing. Just listen to that sound. Absolutely amazing. Looking forward to getting my steak later on. Well, this has been a great day out today, and I really feel like I've hit those 5 core values: adversity, courage, gratitude, integrity, and love. I feel like I've hit all 5 of those core values today, being out here in nature, in this absolutely beautiful, amazing scenery with a beautiful waterfall in the background there, spending time out with the family. It's been absolutely amazing. Looking forward to getting home there and getting our steak on later on. Yeah, well, that was a pretty nice day out. Lamington National Park, really nice getting out into nature again and getting the kids out. They're really good for them to just get out into nature and to get a little bit of fresh air, get out of the city. You know, it was a long drive, but like 4 hours in the car, I think, wasn't it, Emmy? But
Yeah.
yeah, it's Freya slept most of the way home, so that was nice. And kids kind of behaved. It's good for them to get out into nature, though. Experience wildlife, get some sun, get some fresh air. And I think they learn a lot today, which is really nice. So it's great just getting out with the family, spending time with the family. Really, really important. But home now. Looking forward to getting my tomahawk steak on, which I've been waiting all day patiently for. So yeah, I'm going to get on and cook that. So yeah, great day all in all.